Welcome back. In this particular session, we are going to see the importance of writing the conditional formatting rule in correct order. So in this particular example, which is a sales report of various products, we are going to write two rules. One for those cells which are having special edition as text in it, and other to highlight those cells having mobile in it. So let's write those rules, and before that we are going to select the range. So we have chosen the range. We will click on conditional formatting, and this time straight away let's click on new rule, and we would select format only cells that contain, and then we will select specific text as the value to be compared, specific text containing first one special edition, and we will highlight those cells in blue. Click OK and OK. So you will see those cells having special edition written in it are highlighted in blue. Next, we are going to add a rule, and we will use the same options, specific text, and here we will write mobile and highlight it as yellow. Now, if you see, even though these two cells have special edition written in it, they have been highlighted as yellow. Why has this happened? Let's examine the rules. There are two rules we have applied here. Number one, highlight yellow if the cell contains mobile, and highlight blue if the cell contains special edition. Now, what happens in cases where the cell contains both of these? What should be done? It's based on your logic that you decide the priority. In case you require priority for special edition text and you need to apply blue color to that cell irrespective of whether it has mobile or not, then that rule should come on top. So let's examine our rules. We are going to click on manage rules, and nothing is shown over here by default. That is because we have not chosen the range. However, you can still find those rules by selecting show formatting rules for, and you click on this worksheet and you will be shown those rules. Now we will bring the second rule on top by using this arrow key, which is move up, and now we will apply and click OK. Now you see all the special edition cells have become blue. So this is how you prioritize your rules. It all depends on your logic and how you want the results to be shown.